Is AI a blessing or a disaster? The future brain in the AI era. There was a time when knowledge lived inside the people's mind, not in machines, not on screens, but in the human brain. A time when students sat under dim lights at night, repeating formulas again and again until they understood them. When memory was trained like a muscle, when thinking was slow, sometimes painful, but powerful. There was time when teachers spent hours in a library, turning pages, comparing books, researching before entering the classroom. They didn't just deliver notes, they built knowledge before teaching it. Time when nurses practiced procedures again and again, not because it was easy, but because their lives depended on the understanding, not on device. People struggled to learn, they forgot, they tried again, they failed, and then improved. Thinking was not optional, understanding was not instant, and the knowledge had value because it required effort. Brains were active, curiosity was alive, and the learning shaped the mind, not just the result. Then everything changed. AI arrived. Students were the first to celebrate. To them, AI did not look like a tool. It looks like freedom from struggle. Homework that once took hours now took seconds. Difficult essays solved with one prompt. Mathematical problems answered step by step without thinking. Slowly, a silent change began. Instead of asking, "How does this work?" students started asking, "What prompt should I type?" Instead of training their memory, they trained their fingers to copy and paste. Instead of building ideas, they collected the AI responses. And it felt good, fast, easy, and effortless. But the brain is like a muscle. When you don't use it, it becomes weak. The struggle that once built intelligence was replaced by instant answers. And now, the big question arises. If students grow up with the answers before question, will they still know how to think when AI is not there? Will the future student understand knowledge deeply or only know how to ask a machine? Because education is not only about getting answers, it is about building a mind that can solve a problem even when there is no guide. AI can help students learn faster. Yes, but if students stop thinking, AI doesn't make them smarter. It only makes them dependent. Teachers also welcomed the AI, but for different reasons. They were already tired. Large classes, administrative work, reports, meeting, deadlines, little time left to prepare lessons. So when AI arrived, it felt like a rescue. Lesson notes in a second, exam question instantly generated, summaries ready, activities prepared automatically. For the first time, teaching felt lighter, but something quiet and dangerous started happening. Some teachers stopped reviewing their content AI produced. They stopped analyzing. They stopped asking, "Is this correct?" They trusted the machine more than their own professional judgment. Notes were printed without verification. Assessments were given with hidden errors. Concepts were explained with AI hallucination. And the classroom changed. The teacher was a researcher and guide, slowly became a distributor of AI text. But teaching is not just giving information. It is shaping mind. It is correcting misunderstanding. It is knowing when something is wrong. AI doesn't know your students. AI doesn't see confusion in their eyes. AI doesn't understand their level, their struggles, their background. Only the teacher can do that. AI can prepare material, but only teacher can transform it into real learning. The danger is not AI. The danger is when the teacher stopped being a thinker and start being a copy-paste operator. Because when teachers stop thinking deeply, students stop learning deeply. AI did not stop in a classroom. It entered the hospitals, offices, business, banks, and the government institutions. Professionals discovered something amazing. AI can write reports. AI can suggest diagnosis. AI can analyze data. AI can give a legal explanation. AI can design a project. Work became faster than ever before. A nurse could ask AI about symptoms. An accountant could ask about calculation. An engineer could ask AI for design ideas. And again, it felt like magic. But in professional work, mistakes are not small. A long answer in school may reduce marks. A long answer in hospital can cost life. A long answer in engineering can cause a collapse. A long answer in finance can destroy a business. AI doesn't carry responsibility human do. AI doesn't go to court. AI doesn't lose a job. AI doesn't face consequences. Yet some professionals began trusting AI blindly. They stopped double-checking. They stopped using their training. They stopped asking, does this make sense? AI became the brain, human become the hands. But AI predicts answer based on patterns, not real-world awareness. It can sound confident and still be wrong. In critical professions, AI should be a second opinion, not the final decision maker. Because technology can assist skill, but it can never replace responsibility. Final thought. So, is AI good or bad? AI is a tool, and the tool becomes good or dangerous depending on hands that use it. AI is the greatest learning assistant in human history. It saves time, it explains, it guides, it supports. AI can raise the level of humanity, but if people stop thinking, if students stop learning deeply, if teachers stop analyzing, if professionals stop verifying, AI becomes a shortcut to ignorance. The problem is not that AI is intelligent. The problem is when humans decide not to be. The future will not be divided between people who use AI and the people who don't. It will be divided between those who use AI to strengthen their minds and those who use AI to replace their minds. One group will lead the world, the other will depend on it. AI is a powerful servant, but a dangerous master. The moment it starts thinking instead of you, learning stops.